Hello guys, my name is Christian Flores, for a student to the Polytechnic Salesian University. In this new video, we are going to present to the project of the formal language. The first will to style. What is the regular expression? It is algebraic equivalent for automaton. I use my place as language for describe parents in that are simple but very useful. They can define exactly the same language that automata can describe regular language. They often some things that automata do not declarative by the expression to change with what process. Now the occupation to this character for get a expression, regular expression. Application they are used to make conceptual search and modification to on text search command and Unix grep that formatting system use regular expression that type notation to describe parents convert to regular expression to DFA or in FA and simulate to automaton in the search file. The generation of lexical analysis like to lex or flex. The lexical analysis are parent of compiled search program into logical units rename tokens search as y numbers and things for plus etc. Produced to DFA that recognize tokens. What is by synthesizer? The proposal of the synthesizer is the perform the automatic conversion of the text to the synthesized voice. Progress is the file as being possible thanks to important advanced language theory in the acoustic phonetic modeling of sounds, in the generation to artificial speech and the designs of computer but use software and hardware. You can define the to speech transformation as to two-step process. First process analyze to input text to determine to the structure of the phrases and the phonetic composition of each word. Processing language proceeding. And second process transform this abstract linguistic representation in voice acoustic processing and voice synthesis system and usually classified according to the method follow the reconstruction to the voice. Now in this picture to represent to two methods. Now text model to analyze generate to voice in two methods. Now to elaborate the program in Java and use ID Eclipse project windows for the project. The following application will generate that will allow reading both PDF and Word files, but those found in directory select that you can send to context search using to expression selection. And will do result to search you can generate graphics and reporting of say graph. Now you can see for window in my project directory rating To read directory is done recursion and which to J file chooser. Now, recursion will apply to two methods, one method read docs and two method read PDF. Now, duplication to recursion. Now, J file chooser to select to directory and document. Gives the address and will travel in you have files, otherwise you cannot say anything on text area. You can see duplication to recursion and paste to address for directory and document directory. Reading PDF document. The PDF reading were restored to the PDF text library, very important library, which the actions will is easy to simple context to the PDF in the text area. Now you can see it is to validation for entry. Now variable string to get text file and PDF instance for library and reading to the text and print to JText area. Reading docs document. The read files in docs format your fields to generate the address. You can see. To obtain a file, get the text file option. And in this case, from the file, they use Apache library. Second library very important that will instantiate and after days pass to root, and the for loop will reading by line to line to subsequence it to the JText. You can see direction, paste, get direction and paste, and file input stream. Now instance library Apache IO and read line by line for get text and print to JText area. Now graphics. The graphics to generate the graphics they three library important JFreeChart, which allows to generate the graphs. The graphs they generate in the project are lines to show numbers and words that were fine with the expression in the document in those several documents of directory. Now for reader, now read line by line. Now paste document to generate search expression regular to count expression regular and to dataset paste and JFreeChart paste dataset in print for window. Reporting in PDF. To generate PDF, the PDF doc library is implemented, which will generate from the charts of the JFreeChart library, generate the PDF dependency of the rectangular of PDF page. Now PDF library generate and the PDF grab and reading made the process. You can see PDF instance to library and paste JFreeChart print or get to reporting show open pen for correct generate. Now synthesizer. They detect the text and they get to synthesize for the computer to read, to select text for this first second to write with the buffered library, in which we go to give the file path. They sum as previously created new text detection in text area. We instance it the synthesizer and the call TTS method, so that is process read. You can see java.io buffer read and file read write document buffer read get select text and instance synthesizer and call the method TTS. Detect regular expression. To detect the regular expression, will the text you will proceed to read previously created for document. You can see for read to document and obtained to JCOM box list. The sum of the process to obtain and the item from the JCombo box, which contains two expression are regular and will to select to text and will proceed to look for the method ladder create to file for after to generate the respective graphic. After this, the regular expression is processed and the selection file read to send to the graphic file. Now you can see write to document output text. Now paste to text and select text and the regular expression. You can see regular expression and compile to generate to reporting or document for read paragraphs. Now to document contain expression and regular. Now next I will process to make to demonstration. Now you can see this window apply. You can see now load document for example some PDF read. One moment please. You can see client load document docs open read docs. Okay, client. Now directory document and PDF document read to directory open. One moment please. You can see now to select to text for TTL processing synthesize read for example.
Para que se puedan ejecutar procesos de negocio per se necesita un entorno de ejecución para que se puedan ejecutar los procesos. Actualmente en el mercado existen distintos servidores que se integran con los servidores de aplicaciones, permitiendo desplegar, monitorizar y gestionar los distintos procesos.
Claim. Now, load document. Now, for example, PDF. Again, read PDF, and to select to expression as regular, the document is this case. To read to document and paste name, introduce for expression as regular for to select. For example, diamond year and search in graph. Search ag graphic to generate. Now to reporting to generate is correct. To reporting is okay. Document if and report. Thanks.